Ever feel like you're the only one who hasn't cracked the code on money? You look around and it seems like everyone your age is buying a house or jetting off on some amazing vacation while you're just wondering where your last paycheck disappeared to. Well, if I told you you're not alone and that those big money questions swirling in your head are the exact same questions millions of people are secretly typing into Google? Today, we're tackling the top 3 questions people are asking about money, and I'm going to give you simple, no fluff answers to get you headed in the right direction. So, first one up is a big one. Should I actually try a no-buy challenge to save money? The short answer? Yes. These no-buy or low-buy challenges are trending for a very simple reason. They actually work. And look, it's not about punishing yourself. It's about being intentional with your spending. We all fall victim to lifestyle creep. That thing where the money you make, the more you spend. A no-buy challenge is your secret weapon against it, forcing you to focus only on what you truly need for a little while. You don't have to go crazy. Just start small. Try 1 month of no non-essentials. That means no new clothes, no random Amazon buys, no takeouts just because. Get creative in the kitchen and take a look at what you already have before you even think about buying something new. Seriously, just track your spending for a single week. It can be an eye-opener, showing you exactly where your cash is going. It's not about being perfect. It's about hitting a reset button on your spending habits. Number 2, earning extra. Okay, moving on to the second most asked question. Can a total beginner really make extra money on social media? 100% yes. You absolutely do not need a huge following to get started. The 2 most important things are starting small and staying consistent. TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for this. You could become a UGC creator. That's user-generated content. Brands will literally pay you to create photos and videos for their social media, so you don't even have to post it on your own channels. Or you could look into affiliate marketing, where you get a cut for recommending products you like. You could even manage social media for a local small business that's too busy to do it themselves. Let's be real. The goal isn't to become a millionaire overnight. It's about building a steady, realistic side income, an extra few bucks here and there, a couple times a month without having to ditch your day job. That sounds good to me. And hey, if these tips are already sparking some ideas, just imagine what you could do with the full plan. I actually created a super simple 1-page budget template to help you with this. And last but not least, the question on everyone's mind. What's the absolute fastest way to get rid of credit card debt? When you're staring at high interest debt, it can feel like you're stuck in quicksand. But there are 2 simple proven ways. First up, let's try this avalanche method. With this, you keep your making minimum payments on everything, but you take every single extra penny you have and you throw it at the card with the highest interest rate. This is the one that saves you the most money on interest over time. The other strategy is the snowball method. Here, you attack your smallest debt first, completely ignoring the interest rates. Why? Because paying off a whole card even a small one, gives you this huge mental boost and a motivation to keep going. Who doesn't like that, right? Honestly, it doesn't matter which one you pick. The secret ingredient for both is consistency. Set up your automatic payments so you're always on time and always making progress. And that's the key. And that's it. The top 3 questions people are quietly stressing about when it comes to their money. The truth is, mastering your finances isn't about some complicated secret formula. It's just about taking small, simple steps over and over again. And I know you can do it. You got this. Now, I'm curious, which of these 3 questions have been on your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this information helpful, which I hope you did, do me a favor and hit that button and subscribe for more easy to follow tips to help you take back control of your money. I know you can do it. I believe in you.